No one? Of course, there's nothing here. Oh my! What's this going on? I don't know, but I haven't figured it out. Maybe I saw his old group. Oh, where's his group? Right there. Right there? Really? Are you lying? Of course, it's right there. Come on. Oh, my bad. You saw him? It's right. Yeah, there's no more anymore. Oh my. Where is Spade you? See, he ain't there. Maybe he disappeared. Maybe it's just a python. Maybe his flying skill gun crushed it. Maybe Takulyum crushed it. Yeah, maybe it caused it by DMT. DMT? Yeah, you know what? We're worried when we record that fighter. Oh my! This is hilarious. Oops, sorry. Come on, you need to inapunta DMT. You forgot. I'm so sorry, my friend. I don't have DMT. Yeah, it stopped right. Oh no! Right. So, that's the end of line. Yeah, it's not working anymore. You know what? Nothing happened. Oh, you know what? Why? You don't tell me. You forgot to ask. Appreciating we're worried now. Stop. Okay, now what should we do? No one. You did made the world's body purpose. Oh, come on. We don't know why. Yeah, what you didn't do. I do that. What? You didn't ask me. What? Why I didn't ask you? You're not trying to back up with me. Oh my. We're sorry. Please don't say M. Okay, I will do that. Appreciate not work. Oh man. Okay, so now what? Hello, RCC? Can you get out? Okay, bye-bye. Huh? So, huh? I know even NHC Kulum will work. So, I gotta try to act myself. You TMT, you did made the words with the purpose. Well, alright, I will be back. Alright, now... Alright, I will right back then. Live again.